On the 5th of February this year, CMS ran the largest end-user event for Red Hat in EMEA, undertaken by the channel. The purpose of the event was to generate end-user leads for Sabeo technologies for Red Hat's new technology, OpenShift Enterprise, their platform as a service offering. The marketing team at CMS was responsible for organizing, recruiting and managing the actual event in Dublin. We set ourselves a very aggressive target of 100 end users attending the event.
I was here today to talk about OpenShift, DevOps and microservices at the Sabeo breakfast briefing. I think microservices is kind of a hot space, and all of the kind of containerization technology, Docker and Kubernetes, it kind of fires a lot of people up because it's kind of new technology that people are adopting, and they want a little bit of kind of guidance and experience that people are having from doing these things.
A lot of the people who are here are very, very technical. The focus of the companies here kind of reflects that. So it's a very heavy software orientated industries, a lot of cloud companies and in service providers. So it's kind of reflected in the broad spectrum of attendees. Very focused on cloud and particularly container technologies is what we're talking about today.
My purpose today was to come and listen to Red Hat and Sabeo talking about cloud technologies, OpenShift, and hopefully learn some more about NFV and OpenStack.
I came to find out more about Red Hat microservices and the offerings that Red Hat has, and see if this is something that we can try out at HANet.
So we have, I think it's about 140 people here today, and which is our best turnout, and it's been, so far the feedback is very, very good.
Yeah, it was great because I could just come out and after the presentation come over and ask them questions and get answers. That was great.
Yes, we come as a regular supporter of Sabeo and Red Hat as a partner, as it's the best way to meet people who have expert opinions and also meet other customers who may have shared interest in the technologies.
I'm happy to say that we successfully recruited 228 end users and had a record number of 140 people attending on the day. This beats the previous record of 118 people for a Red Hat event that we ourselves set 6 months prior to this event.
So events of this size just don't happen by accident. There is enormous effort that goes into it from CMS's point of view, and our marketing team do an excellent job in ensuring that the user community knows about the event and actually turns up on the day. I think this is a win-win for CMS, Sabeo and for Red Hat.
These kind of marketing activities is where CMS really adds true value to our vendors and resellers. We provide the expertise to generate interest in our vendors' products and put the right people in front of vendors and resellers so they can focus on following up the leads and close the business. For this event, our target audience was Ireland's enterprise market, specifically the banking and financial services, insurance and national government sectors, which are typically difficult to engage with.
Running an event of this scale requires expert planning and the coordination of multiple activities, all working together to achieve the set goal. To do this, we took complete ownership of the campaign, all the way from securing a suitable venue to managing the recruitment process and attending on the day to ensure the event was running smoothly. The first step was to work with Red Hat and Sabeo to understand their requirements, the audiences they wanted to target, and then develop an agenda and campaign messaging. We then created all the marketing materials needed to support the recruitment campaign, including a central landing registration page, an invitation email, social media content, and promotional collateral, all expertly optimized for search engines and conversion. The next step was to build an end-user database specifically for this event, consisting of the target audience that Red Hat and Sabeo requested. This was done through a combination of desk research and online account profiling, and consisted of existing Sabeo customers and prospects that were identified as ideal customers for Red Hat's platform as a service technology. The next step was to implement the recruitment campaign. This involved sending out an invitation email into the database we created using our in-house marketing automation system. This allowed us to completely handle the execution of all campaign material, whilst giving the impression that all communications were going out directly from Red Hat and Sabeo. Promoting the event through online event listing sites such as Meetup. Promoting the event via LinkedIn sponsored content to suitable prospects who are identified through job titles, geographical location, and vertical segmentation. And finally, engaging with prospects via social media and Twitter ads. Every aspect of the recruitment process was meticulously planned to ensure that we delivered the right content through the right channels at the right time. In total, 752 unique prospects visited the landing registration page, of which 228 people from 130 unique organisations registered to attend the event. This is an amazing conversion rate of 30% and highlights the time CMS Distribution invested in optimising the landing page to ensure as many people convert as possible. 107 prospects registered from email marketing, 101 prospects registered from social media engagement, and 20 registrations came from pay-per-click advertising via LinkedIn sponsored content and Twitter ads. Out of the 228 registrations, 223 came from the activities executed by CMS Distribution. A record-breaking 140 end users attended on the day from 87 unique organisations. This is 40% more people than Red Hat and Sabeo targeted us to have in the room on the day.
These events have driven significant sales and market share for Sabeo and even contributed to Sabeo being named Red Hat Data Center Infrastructure Partner of the Year for EMEA at last year's Red Hat Partner Forum in Germany. The feedback from the event has been absolutely fantastic, and we are looking forward to seeing the revenue generated by the event and running more of these in future.
So it's a very good combination. So between ourselves, Red Hat and CMS, we found the events have worked out exceptionally well. It's fabulous. I mean, you can see when you go into the auditorium, the attention that everybody's giving. You know, there's people sitting in the aisles, it's so full. So it's really very, very good so far.
Hi, my name's Jane Handley. I'm the Director of Partner and Alliances for Red Hat UK. CMS Distribution is a leading and innovative distributor in the open source space, who have significantly supported Red Hat and our partners with their knowledge and dedication. They are a driving force in our marketplace and run some of our most well-attended partner-led events in EMEA.